I'm unable to sleep. I'm still sleepless. Yesterday, what happened in the morning? I drank and I slept, and my parents woke me up. Now, when they came, yesterday, last night, so the parents woke me up. We had a fight. My father wanted me to come here, and I was like, no, I want to party there. He was like, he was pissed off. My mother too. So he threw up a beating and then he brought me here. मेरे ऊपर इतना कंट्रोल क्यों करते हैं यार? अरे swelling गया, the swelling has come back again. Yes, it's gonna also, it's kind of hurting. My mother was also crying when she sold the house. Half of the bungalow we sold. So, anyways, we want to remove all our property from West. We don't like it there. Before also we didn't like it, but now things have turned ugly, too much of ugly. And maybe I'll see. And they are the creators of this. And the Wonder Woman from the East, Chembur East. Look, this, you deserved those words because I don't know whether you are angry on me for any reason. I don't know. But I saw you from past 2 years doing GPS spoof. I saw you 2 years doing the GPS spoof. You worked damn hard. I don't know what were you doing it for. You worked damn hard. So, you are the Wonder Woman of East. Of course, I'll notice you. Who will not? If GPS spoof is happening, some suspects are around you. So, of course, I have noticed you. And I kind of like it now. Day before yesterday, also, I saw you. Yesterday, अच्छा हुआ, I didn't see you. I was drunk. So Wonder Woman, you deserve these words. You deserve everything. And I kind of love you because you are the Wonder Woman from Chembur East. You deserve this. You worked hard. I don't know from your side why you hate me. I don't know. But 2 years I saw you doing GPS book. You did hard work. And probably, I'll tell you what the real thing is. There are two type of people in this world. One is ugly. One is decent. What do you call it? A cool chap. So it's everywhere, right? It's everywhere, and it's in every gender. That those people, it's everywhere. So West, if you think that women from West, what do you call it? What they were doing was right, was not right. The land server thing and all. I don't have 50,000 girlfriends. What they were doing was not right. And because of them, if you were doing the GPS book, so then I don't think it's a right reason to do. And the matter is, I'm not into what do you call it? I don't understand tech. I am innocent. They have defamed me. Then things started turning against me everywhere. Why would I go to police station? Why would I ask for reports if I have done anything? So it's your hard work, and you kind of, what can I say? But I liked it there. I saw you day before yesterday, then in the evening, you were wearing black. Black. And my mother went, and I was here in town. I was like, I'll go back. There will be, I had to push in petrol. And I saw my mother crying outside the office, lawyer's office. I couldn't control myself. I went away. Half of our bungalow is sold. She'll feel bad, right? I felt bad. I didn't feel that bad, but it was supposed to happen. We want to cut down that property. We want to, what do you call it? Sell everything from there. Still few is there. We'll sell that too. So 6 months we are not broke. After 6 months there will be one more thing. So that's how we live. And if I start working, then I won't let. But we have to sell. We have to sell. We don't want to keep that property in West. So Wonder Woman, you deserve these words. I kind of love you. 2 years of hard work. It's not that I want to be with you. My brother will kill me. Wonder Woman from Chembur East. Okay? I kind of love you. And I cannot see anyone. No one. I'm caged. I think that's bad. I'm caged by many people. Someone wants to take control over my life. Not only my work. I don't know why. I never found out what's the reason behind this. And probably it's from West, Chembur West. And what? I had fun. Alcohol was fun. I went to Gandhi Maidan. I remembered stuff. My eyes started getting wet over there. Then what do you call it? I relive those memories over there. And I see. Then I went on drinking. Suspects passed. In Chembur station, I caught an online payment fraud. That, what do you call it? That pawn shop guy, I saw, joined his hand. Please, mujhe mat. तो मार खाता था ना वो मतलब उधर धुलाई करते थे ना उसको, तो धुलाई नहीं, पुलिस पकड़ती थी ना, तो उसने ऐसा हाथ जोड़ कर प्लीज मुझे नहीं, बिकॉज ऑनलाइन पेमेंट फ्रॉड वाज हैपनिंग एंड suspect was from the west and he came to east while the property thing was happening. I was like, I was not able to breathe inside. The Janta market is so crowded. I was not able to breathe. I came by the station and I was like, let me catch my air. Hey, let me get some air. What do you call it? It was too crowded. So now you see, even if I don't have money, there are how many? 10 to 12 quarters I must have drank in 2 days. Now 6 months rest, no drinking, 6 months. But I wanted to do one more day today. My father beat me and brought me in. No, you're not staying. I fought with them. No, I want to. And he was giving, I told that it's the cash thing. I don't understand that ATM, the card swapping thing. But they will fool me for money. The bar and all. I don't understand that. ATM I understand. You go to the ATM, get the cash. But who had those time? Who had that time? I woke up somewhere around 12:30, 12 or somewhere over there. My parents were there, and bar was about to get open. And if I won't have any cash at the night, I would have night charges. No, there are some places you get in night. I know those places. You just got to pay some night charges. Come on, I'm an alcoholic and I don't know where the alcohol is. So, Wonder Woman, you deserve these words. I kind of love you. It's not gonna be, I cannot be with you. I cannot be with anyone actually. In a cage, some kind of. So, Wonder Woman from Chembur East, I gotta love you. You deserve these words. I don't know why you hate me so much. You do that GPS move. It must be hatred, right? But as for your hard work, I see I gotta love you now. Have a nice day. Have a nice life.